2019 Toyota Camry 4-cylinder, right there. Really nice car. Got factory converter there, manifold converter up there. Then we did a resonator delete and did vibrance in the back, right there and right there. Part numbers 1790, 2 1/4 in, 2 1/4 out. As you guys can see, 12 inches long. There'll be a link in the description. And we reused his tips on each side to keep the factory look. He just wanted the sound. So as you guys can see, it's a Toyota Camry XSE 4-cylinder. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Right, guys, this is the 2 mufflers we cut off right there. And that's the resonator right there. That's the resonator and 2 mufflers there and there. That's what it looks like now. Much better. You like it? I like it. Here's sound decibels. Again. 2019 Toyota Camry with vibrance and resonator delete. You like it? All right. She approves, man. We're good. It's got a really nice sport look to it, so it needs exhaust, you know? Toyota Camry. That sounds really nice. There it is. Let you guys hear on the inside. Vibrant rears and resonator delete.